You see this? I hit not 20 subscribers, but 30 subscribers in less than 30 minutes. I was at school, and then my friend started telling all my other friends to subscribe to me. So now I'm playing Garten of Banban. I have made this promise, and I plan to deliver if it actually loads. There we go. With the last video, yeah, I can see this video will have that problem too. This has been happening, and I don't know why. But screw it, we're gonna do it anyway. Because that's my smart plan. Okay, let's do this. Oh, wait, I remember this now. I can't remember. Did the bird give me the stuff? Did the bird give me it? Well, I don't remember anymore. Time to go find out, and by looking for like all the eggs. Hit that button. That button. Hit the button. Yeah, okay. We hit the button. Boom. Oh, I don't know. Whatever. I honestly don't remember where I was. Okay. Aha. Come to me. Come to me. Come over here. Oh. Or just break that. Now press this button. Press the button! Also, I apologize for the fact that the camera thing, video taper thing, isn't doing its job. It's supposed to be doing its job, but it's not. Also, I just realized I shoved thing is, I know what's about to happen. And I am not ready for it. Banban was red. Banbalina was white. Josh was green. That dumb bird that's gonna come for me was pink. No, not that pink. Or was it that pink? I guess. I'm summoning. Oh, this guy was orange. And then this guy. Fudge. Okay, okay, come on. Stupid bird! No! No! You've been a bad... No! 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 No. No, no. Go. Go. Can't come after... No! I don't want to do that again. I don't want to do that again. Don't make me go through that stressful time. Oh. Oh. I don't like you. I don't like you. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it! Wait, 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 no, 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 no! 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 I'm not ready. All I can think is you. Hit it, hit it, hit it! No! You were supposed to hit it! You were supposed to hit it! No! This video is already 8 minutes long. It was supposed to hit it! I don't want to do this anymore. I'm never doing Garten of Banban again. This time I'm going to perfectly predict when and exactly when. What? Question mark? I'm not even scared anymore of this Opila bird. I am not even scared anymore. I was terrified in the beginning, but I've been jump scared by it like 5 times, so I'm not even scared. Do you worse, you dumb bird. Do your worst. You stupid bird. Okay, now go, 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 go. Really? Really? Stay. Oh, fudge. Oh, fudge. Oh, fudge. Yes! Finally! It's dead! I survived. World War... No, actually, I'm not even going to joke about that. Don't. I knew it. Now, press that button. Okay, press the button. Press the button, Gronk! What's gonna happen? How will it be the right... What? Did I do something wrong here? Oh, I'm supposed to press that. Press the button again, Gronk! Correct button, Gronk! That's my best impression. I just realized right now, I don't have a very good impression. Now, big boy John. Come over here, big boy John, give me a hug. Give me a hug, Jonathan. John, where's my hug? Yes! Give me my hug! Give me my... Mwah. I love you, John. And I believe that is the end. When I get 50 subscribers, I'll play FNAF. I don't know about 100. Because, yeah. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. If you didn't like it, dislike and subscribe so then I can make better videos. Thank you, my friends, for subscribing to me and giving me the joy of facing that stupid Opila bird. And that's all, folks. See you later.